Hey, listen, my friend. Let's just do these two things so we can have a perfect credit report or credit score. So do these two things so your credit will be good forever. So I'm going to give you these two things that you need to do in order to have a good credit score. Now, before we just start, just do me a favor, subscribe, like, and share. So anytime we got something good like that, you'll be notified. So we're gonna go there. I'm gonna give you these two things. So you must done. So in order for you to have a good credit score, because that's the way you can do it. So my friend, just click on the subscribe button, like, share. Anytime we got something good like that, you'll be notified. All right. So let's just get there. I'm just gonna give you these two things very quick. So let's just share, and then I'm gonna show it to you those things that you must done in order to have a good credit score. So you need to do those things so your credit can be boosted. You see that? To improve and maintain a good score consistently, make sure that's what you have to do to have a good credit score consistently. Pay your bill on time. Guys, listen, there's no other way to have a good credit score. You just have to pay on time. Pay it on time. There's no other way. If you pay on time, your credit score will be boosting up. And you're going to be surprised to see how your credit is going very high, because that's the way. Pay on time. So the way you can do that, just set up automatic payment. When you set up automatic payment, there's no way they will not be on time. And also pay more what you owe. So whatever you own, you pay more. I've been told you many times. For instance, if your minimum payment is $45, pay more. Just pay more. Pay 60, pay 70, pay 100. The more you pay, the better it's for you. That's a very, very first best thing that you need to do. Pay on time. Set up automatic payment. Sometimes some people don't know, but you have to pay on time and set up automatic payment. There's no other way. You see, I just put them for you in writing so you can see it. Pay on time. That's the first thing. Pay your bill on time. That's the number one. So therefore, you don't have to keep going back and forth, dispute, and have bad credit. So if you pay on time, your credit will be boosted. And also, make sure when you pay on time, check your credit report so you will know those reflect on your credit report. Because whenever you pay on time, they have 30 days to be reporting to your credit report. Make sure they report it so your credit can be boosted up, can go higher. Those are the great tips. So wherever you go, if you ask anybody, they're gonna tell you the same thing. Pay on time. Pay on time. And what is good about set up automatic payment is so the payment always go before the time, because it's been set up automatically. Pay on time, my friend. That's a good. And number two, because I'm gonna give you two best things you must done. The number two, keep your balance as low as possible. Keep your balance as low as possible. There's nothing better than that. If you can do these two things, you will be good. Keep your balance low as it is, as low as possible. For instance, if you have a balanced credit card, 1,000, let me just give you the minimum, at least $1,000. Pay. Don't use more than 3%. Don't burn. Do not burn all of them. So keep it low. Keep your balance low. Always use less than what they offer you. You have $10,000 less, 30%. Just always use 30% of your balance. That's the only way you can have good credit. Because the more you use on your credit card, it's not good. It's reflect. It shows the creditors that you always need money and you don't know how to taking care of yourself or taking care of your money. So therefore, use less amount. Pay on time, use less amount. Keep your balance as low as possible. And don't apply. I'm going to give you a bonus as third thing. Do not apply for too much credit too often. If you can just do these three things, but the two most important things: pay on time, keep your balance low as possible. And the bonus I'm going to give you is don't apply for too much credit card too often. We have seen people apply for credit card very often. You go there, they apply. You go to the credit, you go to Macy's, they ask you apply. You go to JCPenney, they ask you. You don't do that. Don't apply for credit card if you don't need them. Even though you need them, if you already have 2, 3, you don't need more than 2 and 3 credit cards. Keep applying credit card. It's lower your score. Anytime you apply for new credit cards, it's been lower your score. So therefore, do not apply too much for credit card very often. You've seen people apply this month, next month they apply, next month again, the following month they can apply. Anytime you apply for new credit card, your score getting lower, lower, and lower. My friend, do those 3 things that will help you. If you do those 3 things, you see those 3 things over and over for years and years, your credit is going to be just fine. These are the 3 things. If you can do those 3 things, you will be. You see, I always told you I'm going to give you less, but because I love you guys, I always need to give you good info. I'm giving you 3 good best things that you need was done. What are those 3 things? Let me know. Those 3 things are pay on time. That's the first best thing. Pay on time. And then on your paying on time, what you do, you set up automatic payment. So therefore, your payment can get there on time. What there? Second thing, keep your balance as low as possible. So if you have a credit card balance, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000, whatever amount, don't use more than 30%. Use less or 30%, the max. Keep your balance low as possible. And then last but not least, if you can do not apply for credit card very often. If I told you that many times, guys, if you don't need credit, do not apply and do not apply. Anytime you apply for credit card, it's lower your balance, your credit score. Your balance of your credit score will go. They take 3 points, they take 4 points, they take 2 points. Anytime you apply, you've been diminished, you've been minus. Your credit card has been coming down. Your credit score coming down. Do not apply for credit card. If you have 2, 3 credit card, that's enough. So you understand that? If you understand that, if you like me, just help me boost this channel. So anytime I got something good for you, you'll be notified and you will know about it. Click the button, subscribe, share, like, share to your friend. Some friends don't know about it. Some of your good friends, they don't know. They need to have a good credit, but they don't know what to do. Some people lost. Share it to them. Let them know you have a good info for them. Let them know that they have to pay their credit cards on time. Set up automatic payment. That's the key. So your payment will go always on time. Let them know. Don't use too much on their balance. Use at least 30% of their balance. And also, don't apply for new credit cards. Let them know. Do not apply for credit cards if they don't need it. Anywhere you go, if they keep asking you to apply, tell them no, you're good. If you already got 2 credit cards, 3, you don't need more than that. The max you may need is 3, but if you have 2, you're good. So do that, my friend, so you can have a good thing. I'm going to put the link down there. I'm helping people fix their credit. Just see, it's very cheap. See me. And also, we do something about helping people about to be healthy or wealthy, just click on that link. So I'm gonna help you how to trade in the stock market. We have another channel for that. Just let me know. I'm gonna put those links down there. I'm gonna put my website down there. If you need me, you're gonna see all my contact. Let me know. We will help you. But do those 3 things. That's gonna help you get better and better. And you're gonna be surprised. And you're gonna see your credit card or your balance, your credit score, your credit report will get higher and higher. Do that, my friend, and you're gonna see. Love you. I got a good thing for you. Always. See you. It was Harry. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye. We keep in touch. Bye bye. See you.